We have a pre-owned full-size SUV fit for royalty here with a pre-owned 2020 Ford Expedition King Ranch Edition. Black metallic EcoBoost underneath the hood, which means 22 miles per gallon highway, 22-inch wheels that are King Ranch badging, automatic side steps, heated and vented front driver and passenger leather powered seats, big huge console, drive mode shifter, wireless charging connectivity, all of our climate controls, radio controls, navigation, 360-degree camera, digital driver information station, traditional gauge cluster, automatic tilt, and also automatic pedals, hand-free controls, B&O premium sound system, roof racks ready for cargo, panoramic sunroof, more leather in the back. These are heated captains, all of our climate control, USB hub, and also power inverter right there. Third row capable, you bet. Not only does it go up automatically, it goes down automatically, and plus it is tiltable. That's right, for comfort in the back. USB hubs right there, and also there's our subwoofer for our premium sound system. And we are ready for the road in luxury with a pre-owned 2020 Ford Expedition King Ranch Edition right here from Payne Pre-Owned Harlingen. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Look at us regardless.